Yeah, we looked at design and how that would impact the buoyancy of an object, and the pennies were just there so we could have something tangible to test it with, right? The pennies were there so we could put weight in our 3D printed boat and to see how many pennies it would hold. How buoyant was it based on the design? One, two, three, quattro, 5, 6, 7. Oh, going 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's still up. Go ahead and put one more in there. Still up. Oh, there it goes. So we'll count these with a lot of pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It held 14 before the 15 one made it sink. Nice job. 1, 2. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, 21 pennies. Oh. The floating man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 3 pennies is all the floating man could handle. But he sure looked cool while he was doing it. Well done. 1, 2. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it helped. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Ooh, it held 1. Now let's try something a little different. Like this. See what that holds. 1, 2. Ooh, it still held 1. 13, 14, 13. All right, here we go. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, it's so close. 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, 14. The big 1, 4. Nice work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. It held 7. Good job.